Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the outline text using the Adobe After Effects. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, you can prepare to open this Adobe After Effects, and after that you will see this is the section. So you can start it by clicking this composition and new composition, and you can choose the project name, for example outline text, and you can also choose the background color. If you click this one, you will see a lot of spectrum of color over here, and you can choose, for example, black, and click OK. So after you choose the new composition, it will show in this project like this, and after that you can start to type anything over here. And if you see the red color over here is kind of the reminder, so you need to inactivate the caps lock in your keyboard. And for example, I will start to type something over here, outline text, for example. And you can also adjust the position, and after that you can start to go to this section, which means the character. And if you don't find this character setting, don't worry, because you can find it and activate it by click this window, and after that you can activate this character, and after that it will show over here. And how to change this text from this fill solid color to become the only outline. So you can start to go to this section that contains the color, and you can change this or click this swap fill and stroke like this, and voila, this will be the outline text we have. And you can also adjust the thickness of this outline. You can simply or manually change the thickness, let's say to become 4, or you can also drag the scale, for example, to the left or to the right. If I move it to the right, so the outline would go thicker. And you can also type something but keep still in the outline text, for example, creative. So this will be the outline text we have. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.